So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to switch your Dragon City account. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Dragon City app. So you can see it's going to look something like this. We can even zoom out. So from there it's going to appear something like that. On here you can see I'm using some accounts. So I have a certain amount of dragons and habitats for dragons. I have a certain amount of level gained as well as some resources that you use in game. Now from here, in order to switch to another account that may be someone else's, so I can use some other stuff, I can just click on settings, and on there I can use the option change player. Now from there, if you click on change player, you will need to click that, and you can see here if you have another linked game account, you can switch to it using Facebook or Apple ID. So for my device, it offers me two ways I can save my content and switch to different accounts, and that's by basically going to Apple ID, so some account or game that I have linked with that, or I can use my Facebook account that will help me save progress and basically use that as a way to check in on my game account within Dragon City as well. So you can click on this option, change player, which is right next to Facebook Connect. So click on that, then use one of the ways to log in to your account, and you can just switch to your different game and play it from there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.